Looking at my bird house. It came down, it rains down here so much. And this is out of place now. This need to throw away in the garbage. And they have the other one at the top, so I'm gonna replace those bird houses and put another one up. I just pulled on the other one, and the birdhouse fell down, and look at it was so rotten already. I have this long pole that can extend longer. Made it out of aluminum. So I have to remove this board, get rid of it in the other birdhouse. This is what happens when you don't paint a birdhouse right here in New Orleans. Over time it rains so much, and this is how the wood gets. Soft, smushy, damaged, and ugly. Well, I bought the birdhouse back. I just gotta clean up the metal and put another one and probably paint it. I have to clean the metal and then put it back. Another piece of plywood on the top of it. Now this should be an easy fix. All I have to do is just choose one of the birdhouses that I've built over time. What I usually do is after every project, all the scraps that are left over, I usually build birdhouses. So if you ever notice my videos in the background, you can always see a birdhouse. So I'll just choose from one of these that you're looking at right here. I just noticed a picture that I drawn and painted right here. I should put it on for auction. And what I'll do next, I'll just put some paint on there, oil-based paints to prevent it from any damage from all the rain that is always raining out there in New Orleans. And that should be about it. Okay, I put it back now on the pole, and it's time to go hang it up. Okay, it's the morning time now. I just put up the birdhouse. I want you to take a look at it and see what it's looking like.